Wow, you have a kind of an insanely high win rate. It's kind of like a, I don't know, 80% win rate with you. Then what's up, guys? What's up? It's your boy XO, and in this video, I will be live trading the forex market and showing you guys my best and most highly profitable forex trading strategy on how to use the EMA, which stands for exponential moving average, and Fibonacci break and retests and retracements and engulfing candlestick, price action, and all those good stuff in this video. So guys, will I make a profit in this video? Let's find that out in this video. So watch this video to the end to see my reasons behind every trade, my stops, my targets, my entries, my reasons for trading, and all those good stuff. And also, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, please make sure to subscribe. It's free and you can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so let me just get this out of the way. This video is going to be a pre-recorded video, so the voicing you're going to be hearing is me talking after I've taken the trades, because it's quite difficult to keep up the pace while I'm trading and talking at the same time. I actually sometimes miss some entries, and it's quite difficult and really annoying, because when I'm trying to explain something, the price just quickly moves and I miss that entry and have to wait for a new one. So I've decided that I will take the trades, then come back later and break down and analyze and explain to you guys every reasons behind the trades. I hope that's fine with you guys. If that's not fine, then please just drop a comment and let me know, guys. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so at this point you can see I saw this beautiful entry set up at this point on the USD CAD. As usual guys, a breakout of the 200 EMA line, and I drew my Fibonacci tool from the points where the market broke out from, below the 200 EMA line, to the end of the trend where it's retraced from. But you can draw it from the main highs, but for me, I just wanted to trade it from this point. I drew it from that high to the recent market low. So I could have taken it at this point, but you can see this beautiful engulfing candlestick at that point, but I was late to the trade, so I just drew it down at that previous market low. So this is kind of like a break and retest. I'm actually looking at taking my trade after a break and retest of market structure. So at this point, I'm just waiting for price to give me a sign, give me an entry confirmation, so that I can take this trade. And yeah, so price is moving, as you can see. Like I said, a breakout of the 200 EMA line. The market came back and retraced at that point, a slight retracement, and I drew my fibs from the highest to the lowest point. And let's see if we get an entry. All right, so a break and retest is kind of what I'm looking at. Like I said, just to add in some more confluences, price below the 200 EMA line, a Fibonacci 50 and 61.8 zone, a break and retest, and I'm looking to take my trade at that golden box. Alright, so at this point, as you can see, I saw this market movement, I saw this engulfing candlestick, but I forgot to take the trade. I was looking at something else, I forgot to take a trade. Like I said, I'm looking for an engulfing candlestick to take my entry, and we saw the engulfing candlestick, and I obviously jumped in on this trade. So let's just wait for the result of this trade. And as usual guys, a 1-to-1, move your stops to break even, guys. So as you can see, obviously a 1-to-1 was a hit, so my stops will be slightly above below my entry, or should I say above, I don't know which one to call it, but a little bit away from your entry, just to cover up some tiny profits in case markets should retrace. As you can see, a 1-to-1 was a win, so let's wait and let's trail our stops accordingly. Alright guys, so you know what, let's just move our stops back to that point. Now I was looking at the market movement. It's market is much more likely to take us out at that point, so it's better for me to leave it at the break even and target this 2-to-1 at this point. So let's just wait for this trade and see what happens. All right, so I think the choice I made is actually a good choice, because if I actually leave it at that point, the market is much likely to take me out, because I can see some really strong candlestick. It means that this market is actually volatile in some way. So putting it at that close range is obviously going to take me out really easily. Alright guys, so this is trade number 2. So let's draw my Fibonacci tool from the points where the market push out from to the recent market retracement. And as you can see, I saw this beautiful engulfing candlestick at the 38.2 and the 50 zone. And obviously guys, my stops is just going to be slightly below the engulfing candlestick. And as always, a 1-to-1, move your stops to break even, and you can just take a 1 to 1.5 or a 1 to 2 depending on how much you want, or you can even trail your stops if you actually want to. So as you can see, a 1 to 1.5 is my profit target for this trade. So let's wait for the result of this trade and see if we end up winning this trade or not. Okay, as you can see, a 1 to 1 was a hit, and I moved my stops to break even. So let me bring up my horizontal ray line and draw my 1-to-1 break even trade. So slightly above that entry will be my 1-to-1 break even trade. So as you can see, we are risk free on this trade. So if the price should retrace and take me out, then I lost nothing on this trade, and obviously guys, I won nothing on this trade. So let's wait. Oh my god, guys, as you can see, we lost this trade. All right, not like we lost this trade actually, but this trade ended up being a break even trade. So guys, if you would target a 1-to-1, like I usually say in all my live trading videos, if you take a 1-to-1 on my trading strategies, then you have a kind of an insanely high win rate. It's kind of like a, I don't know, 80% win rate with a 1-to-1 on my trades. So guys, just a quick trade recap, and as you can see, like I said, the market broke out from the 200 EMA line, and I drew my Fibonacci tool from where the price retreated. You can see that strong bullish candlestick straight down to the previous the recent market lows where the price retraced from, and I saw that beautiful engulfing candlestick. And as you can see on the 1 minute time frame, USD JPY, USD Canadian dollar, and we won this trade. And the trade number 2, just simple market trend movements, and market retraced back to the 38 and the 51.8 zone, on the 50 zone, and I took my trade after the engulfing candlestick, and I moved my stop to break even, and obviously guys, we got stopped out on that trade. Alright guys, so if you want to trade with me live every single day, click the link in the description to join my free VIP Telegram group. It's free, you can always unsubscribe. Alright guys, so if you found value in this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment on what video you want to see next, and I will try my best to make it. Like I said, you never know guys, this video could change someone's life. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy EXO, and I'm signing out. Stay EXO.